All right, everyone, welcome to quarter 3. You've made it. We're halfway through. Keep pushing through. You are probably doing really well this far, and this is going to be another light quarter. So the second and third quarter are definitely lighter because I know other classes are getting crazy right now. So this assignment for this quarter is not going to take you that long. First, you have to go to agexplorer.com, which looks exactly like this. You can do it on your iPad. From here, you're going to scroll down and click on Career Finder. Now, all of these, when you click on them, have tons of different careers in all of these different areas. So we are going to do that, but first we're going to find what it suggests for you. So Career Finder, click Get Started, then you hit Launch Career Finder. This is just like a page to get you ready for it. And then once you get here, it says that we're going to see what careers might work best for you. 13 questions. Oh no, I can't click on it. Hold on, my recording's in the way. Okay, so you click Start Now. Boop. Maybe. Okay, now you have to go through each of these sections. So you click on this, and then you have to fill in this one, and this one, and this one. And I am just making them up. I've done this before, and it tells me that I should be an ag teacher. Hit return back. Interests and skills, do the same thing. So you want to go through and actually take your time, do this for yourself, figure out which ones you like. It's going to ask you questions about how you like to work with other people, questions about what you like to do in your spare time. This is what challenges you. So you want to make sure that all the colors are filled in, hit return to menu, and then we've got one more. So 3 out of 3 is done, 6 out of 6, and then career aspirations. So, and some of this stuff you might not know exactly, but what you want to do is fill it out to the best of your ability. You're in high school, you're not always going to know. Sometimes you just wait around, you say that you don't know what you're going to do, you don't know about this, you don't know about that, but you can only wait around for so long before you have to make a decision. Sometimes it doesn't feel right, but you have to have your head go ahead of your heart, and you got to figure it out. Like, your mind has to make a decision before you actually decide. Sometimes if you know something, you don't know what you don't know, and you don't know what you don't like. Sometimes, if you've never tried it. So this is going to help you get to that point. So fill these out as honestly as you can. Once you get done, the submit button will open up. And then it's got 4 things here. So administrative assistant, certified appraiser, graphic designer, information technology programmer. So apparently I clicked a lot of stuff related to like technology and stuff, which is kind of cool. So what you're going to do from here is there is a worksheet, and yours will look like this. And all you have to do is put your career here, the salary, responsibilities, job outlook, recommended high school education or courses, and then education. And you find that information right here where we're at. So when you click Learn More, it will give you all of this information. So you go through, add all that stuff in. And I actually did this when I was looking at colleges, is you just kind of make like a chart, and then you can compare them and see, what do you like? What do you not like? Do you like that one has less responsibilities or easier responsibilities, but maybe a more salary, or less of a salary? So you can look here, you can kind of cross-reference. So it puts everything in a very informational type of system, so you can easily look at it all. So once you do this, you save this, and then you're going to upload it to eBackpack. And I'm not quite finished writing all this out, but the only thing that'll be left is the point values. So this is really easy. You just go through, take that 13 question test, and then fill out that chart and upload it, and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.